Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO. How are you doing? I'm very happy to be sharing with you today 1034 Oak Street. This is a top floor unit on Oak Street right by NOPA, the whole NOPA area and business district with all the wonderful shops and restaurants. All right, I'm going to turn it around. So it's a top floor unit, 3 bedroom, 2 baths, laundry, parking, backyard. So let's get in there and I'll share. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching. So that was a full tour. So 3 bedroom, 2 baths, lots of closets. These carpets are just so plush under your feet. I don't know if you noticed, but there's double pane windows, screens on every window treatments, and then you have these beautiful open beam ceilings in the living room. It's just so spacious and so light filled. And you know, to top it off, there's parking, there's backyard, which right after my little narrative here, it'll go into the backyard zone as well, so you can kind of get a glimpse of that. And then, of course, the wonderful neighborhood. This property, I should note, is professionally managed. So, you know, as a tenant, as a resident, if you have any troubles, we want you to give us a call, and we'll take care of you. That's one of the key facts here. So, anyway, if you're interested in seeing this property, interested in touring it, or interested in renting it, look at the links below, and there's a showing schedule, how to apply, all the details you need to get to next steps. We look open house schedule as well. So we look forward to meeting you, touring you the property, and getting you into the property so you can live here in next to this amazing neighborhood and in this beautiful property. All right, thanks.